This video is to teach you how to sew your circle set to either your waist or your sleeve round, or anywhere you want to sew your sleeve. I have a full tutorial on how to draft different types of circle skirts, 360, 720, 180, 270 on my YouTube channel, Lumsy Sews. But today I'm going to show you how to sew the circle skirt onto anything you want to attach it to. So I'm not going to take you in detail on how to cut circle skirt. Now what we're doing is how to sew it. So just a quick one. This, you need a square fabric, right? And you fold it into two. What I'm cutting is 360-degree circle flare, and then you fold it again like this, right? Yeah. I also have a tutorial on how to calculate how many yards or how many the amount of fabric you need. So that's not what we're doing in this video. So you fold this into two like this, making it into four, right? You can see it's into four. So like I'm using 32 inches as the waist circumference, and the radius is 5 inches, right? So we're going to mark 5 inches all round. This is 5 inches. So this is the radius. Decide the length you want. In my own case, I want it to be 10 inches. So this is 10 inches. If I measure from here to here, I have 15. I will take 15 all round. This is how you're going to do your circle, 360-degree circle skirt, right? So let me just quickly cut that out. I'm supposed to have like this. So let's quickly cut this out. Now I didn't add any sewing allowance. If you divide 32 by 6.28, you get 5 inches, and that's what I used. I didn't add any sewing allowance or add anything, nothing. So now remember, this is on fold like this. Is on fold. Can you see? It's on fold. So you need to cut this open. Then let's measure what we have here. So if we measure what we have here like this, can you see what I have? This is 32, exactly the circumference we needed. Then you are going to spread out your fabric like this, and you're going to sew it onto wherever. So for me, this is what I have just cut out so that I can sew this onto this. Now remember, if you're sewing your zip, you're going to take out 1/2 inch to add for your zip. 1/2 inch this way, 1/2 inch that way. Now whatever that is left will be eased onto this. Do you get? So I'm going to just run one stitch here. This is just for me to teach you guys. Just run one stitch here and see if I have added zip, because this is going to be just like a peplum belt. So let me just quickly do that. Now this is where we are going to sew this to. From here to here, you will see that it is exactly 32 inches. Can you see? So let's sew this onto this. Now you saw what we measured. Because this is cut on bias, this will increase. Your skirt will increase. So what you're going to do is just place your skirt like so, and then place your wherever you're sewing it on top of it. So let's do it like this. So the trick on sewing this and placing this down is so that you easing the skirt to the band. So if you can see, it is still bigger than it. Can you see? So the trick is this machine, the lower part pulls the fabric. That's why you place the skirt under, so that as it's pulling it, is equal, it's getting to the same size with this. That's the simple trick on how to do that. So let me just place it like this, as you see, and then continue sewing so that you will see what I mean. So you can see there is no gathers, there is no nothing. It's still just, you just easing it onto it. No pleats, no pleats. Can you see? Let me just, you can see there is no pleats, but the fabric was actually bigger after cutting it. Do you get? You just easing it into this the band or wherever you're sewing. Can you see there is no pleats? You see, but it was almost like 10 or 8 inches bigger. You just easing it onto it, and you will not have any pleats. You will not have any pleats. So this is how to sew your circle skirt onto wherever you're sewing it to. So whenever you see excess, make sure to use part of it as your zipper allowance, and then the remaining one you use it to ease it onto where you're sewing. I hope this helps somebody. See you in my next video.